Hi my beautiful loves, it's Shiloh here from Perfect Shade Cosmetics. As promised yesterday, I am going to be showing you how to revive an old synthetic wig. So this is one of my old synthetic wigs that I had purchased from my supplier like over a year ago. It's been through many house moves, it's been thrown into boxes, and as I mentioned, I have not taken care of it. But today I decided to take it out. This is currently the SBH227 wig, so that's the code that I'm holding in my hand. So it's a combination of blonde with some reddish, copperish kind of highlights. So when I pulled it out of my box this morning, it was full of knots. I did not wash it. I basically just took a brush and brushed it out, and then what I did was just curled with the hair iron, and then I rolled it up to look like this and just clipped it in place with bobby pins. So you can do that, and you can leave it overnight if you want really tight. So you can do this and leave it overnight if you want really tight curls, or if you want very subtle curls, because this is what it looks like when I remove the curls after 45 minutes. So I ironed it, sprayed it with our fixing hairspray, and then just curled it up into place and left it. So now what I'm going to do is show you how to do a style that is one of my absolute favorites, which is one of J-Lo's styles. It's a half up and half down style. And I'm also going to show you how to blend the front with baby hair. So I've taken some strands out that I'm going to cut and also blend it into my natural hairline using a few products, and then I'm going to show you how to style this. So if this is the kind of curls that you like, which are absolutely stunning, I'm going to open this in front of you now just to show you what it actually looks like. So that's the bobby pins that I've been using just to hold it in place. So if you want it really tight, make sure that you spray the ends really well. So I'm just going to put her head down, and just going to open one in front of the camera just to show you what the curls actually look like. So that's the curl that I've just opened, and you just release it like this, and you can twist it into place. You can even separate them, open them out so that you have more volume. So I'm just going to open the rest of it, get into a hole. So now that I've opened all the curls, this is what it looks like. Okay, and now I'm going to put this onto my head, but before I do this, I'm going to really secure my wig cap, because there's going to be a lot of pulling and tugging when I try to take it half up. So what I've done is, so far, I have just swirled my hair. So if you look at my hair at the back, you can see there's no bump. Okay, if you want a lot of volume, you can actually just put your bun, tie your hair up here, and then put on your wig cap, but I didn't want that, so I've just put my wig cap on, and now I'm going to secure it with bobby pins crossed over, so that when you put on the wig cap, it does not move. So you've got it in a cross like this, and I'm going to do it in all the areas where there's a lot of tugging, so equally on both sides. And at the top as well, and this is the area that I'm actually going to stick down. But normally when you stick down with hair glue, you have to blow dry it so that it gets really tacky and that the front of the wig holds in place. But I'm not going to blow dry it, sorry. I'm not going to blow dry it simply because I want to take this off and I don't want it to last throughout the evening. But that's what you would normally do after. So I'm going to put some glue in a bit. I also want to do this at the back. So every section where you put on your clips, you need to cross them over for stability. Okay, that's feeling quite secure. This is actually bonding glue, but I'm using it for my wig today. So I'm just going to put a thin layer in front and wait about 5 minutes just here. Onto my wig cap, and I'm just going to wait 5 minutes for that to get a little bit tacky. In the interim, I have taken out strands for the baby hair and I'm going to trim them. So that's the strands, the few strands that I've taken out for her baby hair. So one, and this is going to be sitting flush onto my hairline, looking like my natural hair. So that's that, and so equal amounts on both sides. So in total I've got about 4 strands. That's there, and just pulling out another one from here, close to the hairline. So this is going to be the baby hair. All right, so I'm just going to trim it to about this length here, just to her nose. So up here, just going to trim it to that, and then I'm going to blend it once I have put it on to my head. Next, I'm checking for the straps to tighten it. So I'm just going to take this off, what appears to be a bra strap, but it's not a bra strap, and just hook it into any one of the hooks here, and just do that on the other side as well. I'm actually just going on to the second setting. Opening it out. Clipping it on. Okay, just making sure the center of it is right, sitting right on my hairline, in the center, dead center, in line with my nose. Okay, this is the part that you would normally just blow dry so that it sits flush on your wig cap and that it really sticks. I'm just going to tuck all the little hairs inside. I'm going to take half the hair and do my up style, which is my ponytail. So I'm just going to take equal amounts from either side. Without making the curls untidy, so just shake it out instead of using your fingers to tear them. Okay, then I'm going to grab the back of the hair. So just make sure there's enough of hair in front, and because that's the part that I'm going to just blend in to the back so that there's more volume. Okay, so I've got equal hair on both sides, and I'm just neatening the top. So I want it really tight because when I fluff it out, I don't want it to look flat. I want it nice and fluffed up like this. And then I'm going to take these two sections and pull it to the back. And half of that is going to go around the ponytail, so you don't actually see the band. Okay, so make sure you secure that with 2 clips. Again, crisscrossing. I love these curls. just fluff it out. Okay, so I'm going to do the same on the side. Just take the section, leave a small section in front. Just make sure that they are completely symmetrical on both sides so that you have the same amount on both sides. Take it to the back and clip here. Adding more volume and height at the top, taking my teasing comb, fluffing it out. Yes, you can tease synthetic hair. Spraying it with my hairspray and fluffing it out again. One part of it, that's the other part, and just taking it around the black band. And clipping it at the back. And I'm just going to spray it so that it looks nice and neat. Just grab the ends so that it doesn't lose its curls. Anything that's looking a bit frizzy, you just spray it with a little bit of hairspray so that it looks a bit neat. Same on this side. Adding some serum on the edges so it looks a bit silky. And where it's not looking silky, just add the serum and curl it with your fingers. Especially the front hairs. Just curl, and that's the beauty of synthetic wigs, is that it just stays. Whenever you want it to do whatever you want it to do, you just curl and you get it to stay, and it stays. So ladies, hope you guys learned how to revive an old synthetic wig, and I hope this tutorial has really helped you. If you have any questions, please WhatsApp me on 079-272-4713. Please, ladies, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like to see more of these amazing videos. Until the next hair tutorial, bye!